Good evening. A quiet afternoon in Langkawi took a dramatic turn today after a student's ambitious science project led to an emergency response at a local school. What began as an attempt at aerospace engineering ended in a localized fire that has many questioning the degrees of DIY chemistry. Investigators have traced the source of the blaze back to a failed attempt at manufacturing homemade rocket fuel. Sources indicate the incident was caused by a single student who was attempting to put textbook concepts into practice. The chemical reaction quickly intensified beyond the student's control, leading to an immediate flare-up. Fortunately, school staff acted quickly to contain the flames before they could spread to the main building. No serious injuries have been reported, though the experimental area sustained significant scorch damage. Zaman reporting. That's bad, but we have a solution for that. But before that, let's meet our presenters. Hello, my name is Mozzabot I as the group leader for Labsim Von Mozzabot and is assisted by my assistant.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad bin Abdul Ghani and I am the group secretary. Our school provides a solution for rural schools, which corresponds to SDG 4, which is quality education.
As seen in the graph, kinesthetic dominates the learning preference of students. But in some rural areas, it is sometimes not possible because of its location, which restricts it to do lots of experiments practically.
To solve this problem, we introduce to you Labsim Von Mozzabot. This project aims to stimulate experiment in computers with nearly perfect parameters.
To make our app, we use HTML coding, which is shown on the screen, and the function, we use JavaScript to make the app lively, and lastly, we use cascading style sheet, or in short terms, CSS, to make the website friendly. And we have prepared a README file for contributors to contribute. This is the product of the long codes. We will see a website, and if we click to lab, we will see 3 types of simulators that come out. And if we click one, we will see a list of simulators available. For example, this is a simulator for a test of protein. It is made by using Scratch as a prototype for this lab simulator, because we will do a 3D lab simulator in the future. As you can see, the lab simulator will provide tutorial first, instructions before each experiment. And if you want to reset the project, you can click reset and you can restart all over again, as you can see in the screenshot. The overall UI you can see is actually very simple and friendly for the user. The future of the project is that we are going to create a 3D software which allows more realistic simulations, and we are going to do that in collaboration with MRSM, another MRSM, which is MRSM Muka. Our simulators directly increases the success rate of experiment trials. While modern schools have well-equipped labs, Rule ones rely on theory alone, which leads to practical experiment difficult to grasp. Labsim Von Mozzabot bridges the gap by simulates the experiments that help students understand the experiment better. That's all from us. By the way, do you remember this?